coil, 6-order, reverse ratio. This is basically your common chamber. It's 2 to 1.
Okay. Oh wow. So it's got bandwidth, but it still has this good peak. Okay. So what are you peaking at?
38 hertz, which is the first one I hit you with. She does a 62.2 at 38 hertz on a burp. She just did a 30-second music run. We did a 59.7 today. We usually do about
30-second?
Yeah. Man. On an all-around. Does a 53 plus at 18 hertz. Does a 55, 56 at 20 hertz. 57-ish around 25 hertz. So she does a little bit of everything.
That's
one Singer Alternator, one run of 1-aught, and 160 amp hour Proto.
That's it?
That's it. The voltage just stands
solid. Yeah, that was good. I saw it.
It won't drop, and it's got AC.
AC also. Yeah, that's a plus.
Yeah. So.
Oh, you got 2 more down here too. I didn't realize there's 4 of them.
Four 6-inch.
Wow.
Those are just regular Zv3 Sundowns with Zsv2 Coils. That's the only thing upgrade. Nothing special.
Solid.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, you can jump on that roof.
It's solid.
It's solid.
Wow.
That is not from the sound. I actually cracked it by screwing into it, and it cracked it.
You still wifey's car again?
Thanks for the demo, Jose.
Appreciate it. Thank you
nice to meet you, man.
Finish, you can stop stealing hers.
I'm trying.
Whew. That was brutal, though.
Thank you, brother.
Awesome.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. The 17K is running the 250s on this side. That's running my 10s on the other side. This is running my 215, and these are running my horns.
Oh, okay. Really? Just that small hill? You know it? Yeah. Oh, man. That's heavy. Yeah. Man.
Start with some highs first, and then I can.
All right. Your door is heavy, dude.
Yeah, we
solid.
just finished them, and we're still playing with it.
Awesome. I like it, man. You did a great job. It looks great. You built this?
This is wifey's, yeah.
Okay.
I built it for wifey. I still got a paint in here.
Okay.
She's gonna go with half black, half red, and then the box are gonna flip it.
So it's gonna be like that.
Check this out, right? I think a lot of y'all motherfuckers forgot who he is. So right about now, we gonna let y'all know who the fuck we are. Motherfucker.
Dude, I sat in 69s and didn't tap.
No, fuck.
It was, you know the one with the center dash and you go on the other end?
Yeah,
I seen corner.
Yeah,
that was
crazy.
Dude, that freaking hurt. I would. What was that frequency?
That was 38.
38 like that? Oh my gosh. You need to roll. You got it? Dude, that was brutal. I appreciate that demo.
This one's gonna be 24.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.